Alright guys, good morning Mar. Today guys is Sunday here in the Reno, Nevada. And we have this my apartment. Alright, yeah, apartment. And this time why I'm here now today, I'm waiting to my ride. We're going to Tahoe, Lake Tahoe guys. After this one, John mother to invite us with my son to Marco Tahoe. This is the one built Marco the Reno, Nevada. It's another city. Tahoe like goes, I think like Garson maybe. In another side goes in the California guys. Maybe, but I don't know about that one. That's why I'm waiting the ride. Alright, okay guys. And guys. Tinanim talaga siguro madami no. Kasi nagkailera oh. Yun na nga, yung nakatanggap ako, binigyan ko ng charity ng ng papel para sa trabaho sa government. Ang dami lang nang ilangan sila pati dito sa mga bundok na ito. Sabi niya iano mo yung mag-apply do ako. Ganda ng bundok dito. Ito bang kalsada ito pa papunta rin ng Carson City? Hindi. Wali Forest ano pala ito, diba? Talagang alaga nilang kao nila, no? Diretso lang yung pantry. Parang hindi naman pantry yung puno nila eh. Parang ibang klase yung puno kao. Gaganda. Maganda ng mga sata kasi ginawa natin ng government ng federal. Nagpa-plano din in the future. Okay na, sabi ko maghintay ka na pag may trabaho na ako na tumingin ka na sa trabaho na yan. Kaya ito katanda ka lang nagtatrabaho dyan. Paano? Sabi ko Forest Mar. Gaganda ng kao, kaya pala ginagawang post dito ng dito lang kumuha ng pag-poste, ano? Ganda ng kanila, no? Diba po? Saipan. And nasa in the top of the mountain, guys. We have a lake. Dito sa tao si John, mother, si Jade. Yan. Mamaya guys, lalapit tayo doon sa itong grabing mga puno ditong kahoy. Okay, so nasa gitna kami ngayon ng bundok dito. Mamaya bababa tayo dun, guys. Unang inahan natin yung bundok. Ayan. Puno. Grabe kayo yung taas, guys, no? Ha? And the sister in the other side. Continuous natin, guys. At least may memory ngayon dito. Taho, diba? Alright, guys. Nandito yun dito sa itaas ng bundok ng Rio Nevada sa Tahoe. But ito naman ang lake nila sa itaas ng bundok, guys. This is it. In the top of the mountain to the Tahoe. Park is the now lake park, guys. But I wonder, I want to see you guys if have the fish in this water. Look, Mar, it's a big tree in the backside, guys. Look, there. See? I think this is a coast guard, guys. Like kayak and boat. Kaya guys, walang isda dito. And guys, the water is very clear. But even one fish, guys, I don't see it. This water, guys, it's not the same in Saipan. If you take it, this video of that water is a lot of the small fish, the big fish, the lakitok, maputi, the small shark, or what do you call this one? Any kind of fish. But this time wala, guys, even one. Continuous na natin, guys, pagkukuha ng mga video dito, guys. Napakaganda. Kaso lang malamig, guys, kasi nandito tayo sa itaas ng bundok. At saka yung bundok dyan, summer ngayon dito, in Reno, Nevada, in the downstairs there is like 90 degrees. But now in the top, in the mountain, it's cold, guys. Alright, so there. Let's look. There's a lot of boat. I don't know what happened there. Ang daming bangkaw. Magkakayat ko sila, guys. Continuous na natin ito, guys, ha?